Shit. With who? That guy? Alright. Thanks for calling.
Hey man, you okay?
Yeah.
You look upset.
Yeah.
Can I help or
Look, man, I don't know you.
really?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
You're Rahul, right? Sycamore High, class of 2016. You went to Dartmouth, if I remember correctly.
Do we know each other?
It's me, Anthony. From the tennis team?
Shit. Sorry, I didn't recognize you.
God, it's been years. How are you doing, man?
Good. I mean, not really, but it's whatever. Look, man, if it's okay with you, I just need some space, yeah? I just found out my girlfriend's cheating on me.
Oh. Wow. Hey, sorry to hear that, man. It was good seeing you, though.
Yeah. Yes, I called. Where are you? Don't lie to me. Where are you? Of course you are. Because Neha, I swear. Andrew saw you two, okay? He saw you two kissing. Accusing you? He saw you, Neha. Neha! Don't you dare hang up on me. Neha! Neha! Neha!
Some colorful language.
Yeah? Well, she deserves it.
Neha Gupta, right? You two went to the prom together. You're still together, huh?
Well, we were 30 minutes ago. Till my buddy Andrew caught her out with someone.
Andrew Lynn. Oh man, how's he doing? I haven't seen him since high school either.
He's fine. Who gives a shit? My girlfriend's cheating on me. I swear I could kill her right now.
You don't mean that.
We were together for 6 years, and we were so good to each other. 4 of those were long distance, and we survived that too. And then all this out of nowhere? Yeah, I think I might just kill her. Shit. What if she was cheating on me in college?
Infidelity is a truly terrible thing. It's a complete betrayal of trust. I'm sorry.
Betrayal of trust. You're right. You know, I was gonna ask her to move in with me next week.
You know, my dad cheated on my mom. They actually got divorced over it. It was back in junior year of high school, and my dad got custody, and my mom moved back to India, and I got stuck with the asshole who tore my family apart.
Shit, dude, I didn't know any of that. This was back in high school?
Yeah. You know, he still calls me up every day just to judge me. He thinks I'm some kind of failure because I work a normal office job. Yeah, I don't know. I guess he made a bunch of money off the stock market. You know, he married the bitch that he cheated on my mom with. Yeah, sometimes I wish I could kill him too. I've had those thoughts before. Poisoning his food, leaking carbon monoxide.
What the hell?
Don't tell me you don't have the same thoughts right now. That you wouldn't kill Neha if you had the chance and you wouldn't get caught. Or, you know, one of those useless guys that's just sleeping around.
Are you serious? It's just an expression.
But why not? You know, some people are better off dead, aren't they? My father, Neha. Of course we wouldn't do it. We're too afraid we'd get caught. And of course we would get caught. Just look at it. The motive's right there. But I have it all figured out. The perfect crime. The perfect murder. You see, what we do is we'd swap murders.
Swap murders?
Yeah, so for example, let's say I was serious about killing my father. And let's say you were serious about killing Neha.
I'm not serious about killing Neha.
But let's say you were. So I would go ahead and kill Neha. You would go ahead and kill my father. And we'd never get caught. Because there's no motive. What motive do I have to kill Neha? What motive do you have to kill my father? You're a complete stranger to him.
I gotta go.
Your girlfriend, my father, crisscross.
What?
Hey man, it was good seeing you again. We'll keep in touch.
Yeah, sure.